Bharani has already spoken and talked about how one of the major pillars in terms of our GDP in the state, IT industry. So I also represent one of those industries. And we continue to, with the help of whether it's HICIA, AmCham, we have all these professional bodies, we come together, brainstorm and see how to be conscientiously bring in not just volunteering, because that's another important thing through it's not just lake restoration and donating, some sponsorship amount. We bring in awareness among the employees. We're talking about lakhs of employees in the industry who perhaps are always in the hallowed portals of this beautiful edifices they're all working in, the white collar jobs as we say, but we don't really get out and understand how the underprivileged or the disadvantaged groups, or even when we're talking about UN, the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs, and water conservation is one of the important SDGs we are looking at. So the way we are going to support the run is again giving the clarion call and work along with Sahi and Kalpana's team as United Way of Hyderabad to continue to sensitize and also bring in people for this experiential run. Because if we are not there, it's not just about being there. That is a huge call to create the awareness, because every home, every urban home, we can start conserving water. What we have done with United Way is we have adopted more than 160 schools in the Bahadurpura Mandal for school transformation project. It's a multi-year project. While we're doing that, now we have undertaken a program where we will create rain harvesting in each of these government schools. So that is, while you look at it, it's like a drop in the ocean, but it's still the right step in the right direction. So sensitization, as well as bringing in awareness among people, be it in the urban, what we say is in the urban communities, as Kalpana has mentioned, each of these gated communities, if they can create this, they're really increasing the groundwater levels. So that is the intention of this experiential run. I really call out to everybody and the media friends out here to ensure that everybody gets to know about this, so they participated in full strength. And not just in terms of the spirit, but really start embracing this, so Hyderabad perhaps will not be one of those ignominious cities of being not the blue Hyderabad. We really want to live your dream, Kalpana, of making the city as well as the state of Telangana, because that's where our first priority and onus is. Continue to relentlessly work as United Way of Hyderabad, as well as a conscientious citizen and a responsible citizen, to continue to hail for conservation of water. And one of the themes which we will work with Sahi is how do we create what we refer to as water-sensitive urban design. Right? This is a concept where you're looking at, be it a home, be it a community, how can you be water sensitive so that you continue to preserve and conserve water? Your groundwater levels will continue to be where it needs to be, so that you don't have to worry about your drinking water requirements and not go to the tankers, as some of my friends have already spoken about. So the water sensitive urban design, and given Kalpana's acumen both in the architecture and her passion towards conservation of water, I think we should be able to create those sustainable designs and help people get sensitized across the state to really create a community where we all don't have to worry about drinking water or buy, as Bharani mentioned, it can be, increase as much as gold price is. We don't want to see that day, because we want to have water to drink. Thank you.